everyone, and welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Janine and this is Janine's Tap Dance Studio. In today's video, I'm going to go over the front essence. So the front essence is basically just the reverse version of a back essence. So I did a video previously on the back essence. So if you want to watch that one first or watch that one after this one, they kind of go hand in hand. So with your front essence, with your back essence actually, you cross behind yourself with that brush, right? Brush, ball, change, stomp. With the front essence, I'm going to face you so you can see what my feet are doing in the beginning. With the front essence, you're going to start with a step. So say we want to start on our right foot. You're going to start with a step on your right. You're going to flap with your left. So crossing over your right foot, and then you're going to step back on your right foot. So it's those 4 simple steps, but once you put them together, they become a front essence. So like I said in my back essence video, this is a very classic step. It's a very it takes a very swing rhythm, and you can find this step in a lot of the classic movies that have some tap dancing in them. So again, say we want to go on our right foot. You're going to step on your right foot, flap with your left, and then step back with your right foot again. Now you would switch over to your left side, step, flap, and then step back. Okay, so you're crossing over. You're gonna go step, flap, step, then right, then left side, step, flap, step, right? So should look like this, nice and slow. Step, flap, step, left side, and keep going. Okay, so 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4, or 1 and a 2, 3 and a 4 if you want to pick up the tempo a little bit. So again, nice and slow, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left side. Nice. Now say we want to pick up tempo a little bit, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nicely done. Good. Try that again. 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. So these are fun to do. They have a nice swing rhythm to them. So once you get faster, you can really start hearing that swing rhythm coming out. So let's try a little bit faster here. Here we go. 5, 6, 7, 8. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, nicely done. Let me show you back version so you can see what it looks like from the back. So right side again, 5, 6, 7, 8. Nice. This one also has a break, so it tends to be, you do 2 singles. So we'll say once on our right, once on our left. And then the break, you're going to step over on your right, pretend like you're starting your next front essence, flap step. Then you're going to do a brush step back, and then one more flap step forward. Okay, so you're going to hold it here once you get to this third one. So you're going to do 2 singles, and then here's the break. You're going to go step, flap, step, brush, step, step, flap, step. Let me show you that facing forward. Again, you have, here's just the break. Step, flap, step, brush, step, step, flap, step. Again, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you're just holding it in that space. So once you do 2 singles, then your break, then you would start on your left side to begin after that break. So 2 singles, the break, then we'll start left side, and I'll teach you the left side break. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good, now you're going to do 2 singles starting on your left. And now is when you're going to do the break on your left foot. So left foot starts, step, flap, step, brush, step, step, flap, step. Good, again, left side. Good, so let's start left side, our 2 singles, and then into our break. Here we go, 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Good. And then you would just repeat it on your right side again. Let me just show you that going forward, whole thing. Let's do it 2 times in a row, first on the right side, then on the left side. And 5, 6, 7, 8. Break. Start left side. Break. Good, nicely done. All right, thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Don't forget to subscribe for new tap videos every Tuesday and Thursday. Again, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.